Yet again, Bheki Cele dropping another bombshell, guys. He just revealed that Matlala is Julius' brother-in-law, guys. Here's the clip of Bheki Cele exposing Julius Malema.
But there is one problem about photos. It's a serious problem. I'm not sure whether I know one person that they take a lot of photos with this Julius, Honorable Malema, and then
I don't have a photo with Matlala.
Well, at least Usbaru wako. So and then these photos, you find them moving around. So, and you really say, did I check this one? You know this Matlala issue. There is a photo that I've taken recently. I was not even aware that one person has changed here. So now when he moves around and you see that there are changes, you realize, yeah, man.
Yep, guys, I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your review or comment or opinion in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.